Hey, Ultra Legal Warriors, what level of communication should you expect from your law firm if you have a lawyer or an entire firm of people working for you? And how it is that you can relate to that and help them help you. I was walking around my office and one of my amazing staff members wanted me to make this video, and I'm doing it for all of you out there today. If you're interested in this area of the law, stay tuned. This is the video for you. My name is Attorney Lance Fryrear. I'm a defense attorney in Linwood, Washington. My law firm's been defending people charged with crimes all throughout Washington State for more than 20 years, and I'm putting out these videos to help educate the public. So if you find this useful, please like and please subscribe. More people get to see it. More people get the help they need. Now just jumping right into it. As I said, I was walking around my office today, and my staff, and these videos aren't about my staff and stuff like that, but it's where we came up with the idea. I had a very amazing staff member come to me and say, Lance, I'm checking in with these clients so they can do the things that they need to do so we can help solve their problem. And sometimes they get angry with me and they're upset about why I'm following up. Can you do a video about why it is that we follow up with clients, or what level of communication somebody should expect if they've got a law firm working for them? And I said, well, give me some ideas and I'll go for it. So here we are. What level of communication should one expect if they have a law firm working for them? Well, of course, I'll say it depends, but the level of communication will be what is necessary for you to do the things that we need you to do for us to help you. And that means it might vary. If you should pay attention to what the onboarding process is with the law firm. There's a higher level of communication during the onboarding process after you've already hired the firm, then you could probably expect that level of communication to generally continue unless you've been told otherwise. What are ways we typically communicate with a client out there, law firms? Well, by email, which I think is less and less favored over time. Who needs more emails? I don't. By phone call, sometimes it's tough to catch you on the phone, right? You're at work, we're at work, there could be different things going on. And more commonly, we see text messaging. Text messaging that gets directly to our phone, something that we can look at when we're available, it's clear, things like that. And so as far as that level of communication early on in the case when things are happening, you should expect probably to hear more often from your attorney. If you're filing a divorce, there's probably going to be, say, hey, fill out this financial affidavit, or fill out this answers to some interrogatories, some questions that we got, and give me this information for our paralegals. Now, I don't do family law, but I worked around firms that do that. You could expect that type of thing. For estate planning, you might expect a questionnaire to get filled out, but then it might get quiet for a while. For criminal law, it's going to be sort of where we are in the case. Do we have police reports? Do we need to go over police reports with you? Or are we at affirmative steps for things that we need you to do as the client so we can better represent you? That might be reviewing some photos we gave you. It might be doing an anger management class. It might be signing up for that alcohol and drug information school if you have a DUI case. It might be requesting a DUI hearing, which you only have 7 days from the date of the event to do. So if you have a really good law firm working for you, we're going to be bothering you, right? We're going to be interrupting you. We're going to be, asking you to do things because you gave us a job to do, right? You gave us a job to help you. And it doesn't pay off, most likely, to get annoyed or upset or, sound a certain way with the people working in your behalf. Now, you're the client, you can do what you want. But what I always think about is if I have people that sort of are helping save certain parts of my life, right? I probably want to do the most I can to make it easier on them for them to help me. So when you think about what you can do to help your law firm help you, is you can try to respond in a timely manner, right? If you get an email to say, hey, when's a good time for a call? If you see it, try to make that a priority. If you get a text message, try to make that a priority. Also, you can do us a favor. If you think we're dropping the ball, tell us, right? You don't think we're communicating enough, let us know. Sometimes we're in the midst of another trial or another problem. We cannot fix, any attorney, that is, cannot fix a complaint unless we know about the complaint. And that's not really how we're socialized, right? We're sort of socialized to keep complaints to ourselves, right? It's not polite to, and it's not safe sometimes to share a complaint, like with a partner, a loved one, a spouse, right? Because bad things can happen. They can get mad. They could, attack us. Lots of things can happen. But in this type of very important professional relationship, it's really good to try to, help your attorney help you, and also let them know if you don't understand some things, because us attorneys make mistakes, right? I've covered in other videos. We don't know what you don't know, right? We've done it so many times. We're so focused on fixing the problem, we can slip into, well, they know what to expect at a pretrial, or they know this subpoena doesn't mean anything. And actually, that's not really probably what's going on. So if you have questions, ask. If you are getting communication from your attorney, try to treat the staff kindly back. And if you want the case over more quickly, which most of us do, try to respond more quickly to whatever it is that your attorney needs you to do. So I know it's generic, it might be common sense, but it's best to get these things out there so you can understand what to expect with communication from a law firm and how you can best situate yourself to help them help you. So if you found that useful, please like it, please subscribe. More people get to see it. More people get the help they need. More importantly, if you have a legal problem, a criminal matter in Washington State, feel free to reach out to my firm. We get on board. We'll listen to what happened. We'll identify a way forward, and we will be there for you. Thank you.